हेलो, मेरा नाम स्नेहिल है। मैं भोपाल से हूँ और मैं लखनऊ में अभी लॉ पढ़ रहा हूँ। तो बेसिकली आई हैड अ डेविएटेड सेप्टम एंड ऑल्सो आई हैड अ pumped nose, and I came here. I basically my uncle told me about Dr. Basir, and I came here, and Dr. Basir basically confidently assured me that everything will be okay, and he corrected my deviated septum and my pumped nose. There's a little bit swelling now, but it will vanish in some months, and basically my level of breathing and quality of breathing has improved too much.
You feel good?
Yeah, yeah.